Az előadás, az algebra előadást áttették, nem, délutánra tették. Áttették means they postponed it. Maybe it is postponed. I forget this particular sentence, whether they postponed it to the afternoon or they just scheduled it. I think it was postponed because it looks like he lost track of time with just being a professor absentmindedly. He lost track of time, so it must have been postponed to later in the afternoon. So it's algebra, algebra. Is it délutánra áttették? Nem, áttették délutánra. Maybe. Let's see what happens. Oh, amazing. Let's listen.
Az algebra előadást áttették délutánra.
Beautiful. So előadás is a lecture or performance. Algebra, we know what that is. Áttették, I just explained, is they postponed it. So the passive tense, so it was postponed, by unknown agents. So the passive is always shown in a third person form. Even though one person might have postponed it, it's still the passive structure is just to say the general group of people. So they postponed it to the afternoon. On to the afternoon. So this ra ending, when you're dealing with time, it means that's the goal. So it's postponed for the afternoon, for that time in the afternoon.